This is the story of a person who felt their body slip from routine and their mind fill with self-doubt. Facing a plateau and excuses, they chose one small habit each day, honoring sleep, nutrition, and a daily walk that grew into miles. Obstacles arrived as injuries and late nights, yet a supportive circle, clear goals, and a log kept them moving. They learned to turn setbacks into data points, recalibrate workouts, celebrate consistency, and train the brain to crave progress. By practicing patience, seeking accountability, and sharing small wins, they emerged stronger and ready to guide others.